This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Iniu wireless phone charger. This is a 15-watt key certified wireless charger with an adaptive light on it. Specification wise, you can see here it is quick charge, PD and AFC fast charging. Has a USB-C input, 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt with an output of 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, or 15 watts. So let's open it up and take a look. What you get in the box. Of course, you get your welcome guide with all the pertinent information on how this operates. But most importantly, what you really care about is the charger itself. You do get a USB Type-C charging cord in the box to plug it in. It does not come with an actual charger. You'll need to plug this into your own charger in order to get the proper wireless charging. But this is the charger itself. Very nice design. Let's see, let's look at the main features. You've got this sort of nice finish on the back. Looks like it's like an anti-skid finish. Most importantly, here in the foot of the tray, this is rubber. That's going to keep it from keep your phone from sliding. Should hold your phone really good. It's good rubber there. Also on the bottom, you can see you've got rubber on the bottom, so this should keep the stand itself from sliding around on your desk. You've got your USB Type-C input here. That's where you're going to plug in. You can see you've got these little air vent slots on the back here, which should help ventilate, make sure that this stays cool and doesn't overheat. And then over here, this is that light. And this is a adaptive light. So depending on the light in the room, it's supposed to be brighter or dimmer, so that if this is obviously by your bedside, you don't want a big bright light blinding you when you're sleeping at night. So that's what the adaptive lighting is for. And I'm guessing that this little thing here, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, that little thing there. I'm guessing that's the ambient light sensor. That's probably what senses the light in the room and makes the adjustment to that light. Anyway, this is the charger. This is what comes in the box. Again, it is a 15-watt key certified fast wireless charger with the adaptive LED light indicator, and it does include the USB Type-C cord in the box. But you do need to use your own charger to plug it into to get it working. Anyway, that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for this unboxing. If you like this unboxing video, please check that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos, or favorite this playlist to keep up with product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And stay tuned for a full detailed review of this in action. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.